In the hot light of day here, digging the foundations for the wall and then the floor. So it's going to take about, see, they started about 7:30 this morning. It's coming on to noon. It's hard digging every inch of the way. Look at all of these rocks you see here. You see that? All of these huge rocks. Needless to say, they're packed in tight. And there is still a lot. Look at that. Do you see that big rock right there to the left? And there's one further underneath. This one to the side, although that can probably stay there. And then down here, you've got to bring the wall back to right here. Oh, here's a little dog. Oops. So today the royal we, I'm just watching, are going to finish this, digging this, and then tomorrow we'll put in the foundation for the wall will be put in. I have the easy part, just watching here, but it's fascinating, and just to see the amount of time it takes to dig everything by hand. It is, see that? Wow. That's what all morning has been like. And this isn't just dirt here. There's just, that whole thing is covered with dirt, but it's a pile of rocks underneath it. The soil here is harsh, to say the least. But then this is where the rocks came from to build the Mayan pyramids and buildings. So just keeping up progression. It's hot. There's no breeze at all. And let me ask, ¿y cómo está el trabajo? Es duro, ¿verdad? Ay, y mucho piedras. ¿Mande? ¿En serio? You just said that rock right there is going to be huge. You saw his hand movements. Ay, ay, ay. Talk about working. Okay, well, we'll keep up progress tomorrow when the wall begins. And that's enough for now. Doesn't it make you sweat just looking at it? Wow.